Hello, my name is Taya and welcome to Preston Audi. Today I'll be talking about this brand new Audi Q6 e-tron Performance Sport finished in the modern Mythos Black paintwork. This powerful brand new model holds a 100 kilowatt battery that produces 225 kilowatts or 302 horsepower, delivering a 0 to 60 in just 6.7 seconds. The top features include the striking LED headlights that animate when the car is unlocked, paired with dynamic rear indicators and a rear light bar for great visibility, large 19-inch alloy wheels, black roof rails for secure road trips, electric folding wing mirrors, sleek badging around the entire vehicle including e-tron and Q6 badging, and this is all topped off with front and rear parking sensors paired with front and rear parking cameras that make up a 360-degree view of your vehicle for awkward manoeuvres. This is alongside an electric tailgate that reveals a spacious 526-litre boot capacity for all your travel essentials, so you'll be covered whether it's a family day out or weekend road trip. In regards to charging this vehicle, you can find an AC charging port on the driver's side of the car, while on the passenger side you will find both AC and DC charging ports, supporting easy home and fast public charging. This Q6 e-tron can charge up to 80% in just 25 minutes on an ultra-rapid public charger, while on a 7 kilowatt fast home charger can fully charge the battery in just 15 hours and 30 minutes, providing a range of up to an impressive 391 miles. Moving inside, you'll be greeted with illuminated front door sill trims, along with a Bang & Olufsen 3D premium sound system for you and all your passengers to enjoy clear, crisp audio. In the rear, you'll find a luxurious full leather trim for that premium look and feel, in addition to a pull-down armrest with built-in cup holders and a rear climate control with 2 USB-C charging ports and heated seats. The front houses the multifunctional leather steering wheel, along with a large central touch display, central console and front full leather seats. The heated steering wheel offers various audio controls with the option to navigate around the virtual cockpit screen, including vital driving data, audio and telephone connection, and even a full view display of the built-in navigation system. The cruise control and speed limiter features are also available to assist out on the open road. Moving across, the large central touch display houses similar options, including various radio and telephone connection and navigation for assisted travels. From here, you can also find wireless connection of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can also access and adjust the interior lighting, where you can choose from a range of different colours to set the ambient lighting to your personal preference. You can also view the range and charging information and patterns, in addition to battery levels. You can also access Audi Drive Select, which offers a range of driving modes to suit you, whether it be for comfort or for any other preferred driving style. You can also view the reversing and 360-degree camera when manoeuvring the vehicle. From the same screen, the 3-zone climate control offers a personalised temperature to meet you and your passengers' needs, with optional heated front seats that are also available. This is alongside the central console that features a storage compartment with 2 USB-C charging ports and a wireless charging pad, a gear shifter, 2 hidden cup holders, and a central armrest that reveals a hidden compartment. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.